Hey all, it's Twinkle here. Today I'm going to share with you guys my review, honest review of this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Face Palette. This is 3-in-1 highlighter, bronzer and blush palette. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's talk about the packaging. So this palette comes with this black box, and if I open this, there is one more black box inside this palette. Look at this box, it has this cushion packing which makes it very protective. I ordered it online from Purplle.com. There was one sale especially on Faces Canada, so I just got this palette from there only, and also I got these sponges free, these beauty blenders free with this palette. Already this palette was on discount and then I got these free too. So this is how this palette looks like. It has this bronzer, this blush and this highlighter. Well, I would more call it contour. This is not bronzer because bronzer is something highlighter plus contour, but this is matte, so I won't call it bronzer, rather I would call it contour. One thing which I like the most about this palette is this glass and transparent cap, because this cover makes it easy to use to identify which palette are we using. Now one thing which I don't like about this palette is nowhere the shade name is written. I think there are 3 or 2 shades in this palette and nowhere the shade number or shade name is written. I'll leave the link in the description box, and I'll keep the name of this palette in the description box because I need to check my orders from Purplle.com to identify the shade number or the color of this palette. So yeah, even on this outer packaging I can't see anywhere the name of the shade of this palette. It's just 3-in-1 highlighter, bronzer and blush is written all over. So yeah, this is one drawback. Now let's check the pigment. I'm also using it in front of you guys for the first time. First shade is this contour shade. I hope you guys can see this. Let me take some more. So yeah, this is the contour shade. I don't know if you guys can see this. Next is this pink shade which is blush. This is pretty pigmented. Now moving towards the highlighter. See, this is how these 3 shades look like. Now I'm going to quickly use this palette and show you guys how it looks on my face. First I'm going to use this contour shade for contouring. Just dust off the excess and start. Now here I have one tip for you guys. Always start contouring from the starting point of your ear and bring it down towards your lips. So just start it like this. I'm gonna take a little more. I think this contour shade is good and it is going well with my skin. See, I think I need some more. Yeah. A little bit here also I'll contour. Just a bit because I just want to show you guys the pigment and everything. Bit on nose. See what I did? I just pressed my brush like this and I just started contouring my nose. So for this shade which is contour, I would say this is very less pigmented. I was expecting that it would be more pigmented, but it is not. And as you guys saw that I took it for 2 or 3 times for just contouring my one side of the face. So if you want to buy it just for contour and you don't need these 2 shades, then don't buy it because this is not that much pigmented contour. Now it's time to check this pink shade which is blush. This is good, I think so, because this is one of my favorite shades. Even I have this shade in Color Bar, Sweet Scarlet. So yeah, I'll just check this blush and it is also looking pretty good. So here I'm using this Nykaa blush brush. I'm just tapping off the excess as always and smile. Yeah, this is pretty pigmented. And the shade is also good. I am impressed with the blush. See, very natural pink kind of shade, so I just love this. Now it's time to check this highlighter. So yeah, let's check this highlighter. So I'm using this fan brush. I ordered this long bag from Amazon. So yeah, let's do not waste more time and just check. See. Now, let me just check. Well, I think I should change my brush because this highlighter is not that much strong. So I'm using this brush from Pune store. And let me just check now. I think it is okay kind of highlighter. I think people with yellow tones will like this highlighter because this is more in golden and not in that good shade. Like the one I have from Makeup Revolution is very, very natural kind of highlighter. It is mix of silver and golden, but I think this is properly golden highlighter. You can see a very light glow, yellow kind of glow. Well, this is how this palette is. So overall I will give it 3 stars out of 5 because this shade is not that much pigmented, but it can work on my skin, on my skin tone. And this I think is a waste for me because I have pink tone and this is for yellow tone people. But I loved the blush. So 2 stars are for this blush and 1 is for this contour and 0 for this highlighter. So yeah, this is my review for this palette, Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Face Palette. Also the price for this palette is $8.99, which is written over here. One thing I love about Purplle is they always send latest manufactured products. Like this product was manufactured in August 20 and we are sitting in November 20, which is just I think 3 months, yeah, 2 or 3 months. And this is what I love about the Purplle.com. And the expiry date is 7/23, which is 3 years from now, almost 3 years, right? Also I got this on discount at 25% off, so I just got it at rupees 650 or 550 something. You guys can calculate, like 25% of $8.99 is discount and rest is the amount which I paid. And also I got these beauty blenders free. So overall it was a good deal and it's okay, as I told you I like this shade, but not highlighter. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked my honest review. If you guys did, then please smash the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon in the next video. Till then,